I've been working with Arafat for closer to 3 years now, and he's been my go-to guy with everything that comes to conversion tracking or data configuration in general. The reason I keep coming back to him, and the reason we've worked on dozens and dozens of projects over the years, is because he's super professional. He definitely knows his stuff, and he's always ahead of the curve. So I don't have to worry about being updated on whatever is going on in the data configuration field of things, because I know he stays ahead, and I know he will always update me when there's changes to the algorithms or the way Google processes data or whatever it may be. And that has very much been super valuable for me. So yeah, I'm Alexander Mikkelsen. I run a marketing agency based out of Norway, and for the past couple of years we've been using Arafat to set up reliable data tracking and conversion events for all of our clients. And it's something we'll definitely be continuing to do. He's our go-to guy, as I said, and the reason for that is quite clear. He always delivers, and he's always super punctual, and he is efficient at his work as well. So you get really good results at a good pace, and he's always ready to go above and beyond in terms of delivery. So if you have any needs when it comes to conversion tracking or data configuration in general, he's definitely your guy. He's the boss.